Crossroad number 28. To be a river that flows or to be a Dead Sea. A very graphic crossroad. Will you be a river that flows or will you be like the Dead Sea where nothing can live or survive? This is Tuesday of the fourth week of Lent. We read from the book of the prophet Ezekiel. Wherever the river flows, every sort of living creature that can multiply shall live, and there shall be abundant fish. For wherever this water comes, the sea shall be made fresh. In the vision of the prophet Ezekiel, there is a flowing water, a river that flows, that goes to the sea. And whatever place this river passes, life comes and life flourishes. And even the sea shall be turned into sweet water. That is the image of Jesus also of himself. He is the living water that quenches all our thirst. So the crossroad that we will meditate on today is about being a river that flows continuously or a sea that has become dead, that allows no life to flourish. Isang magandang puntong pagnilayan sa panahong ito ng Kwaresma, tayo ba ay nakapagbibigay pa ng refreshment sa kapwa? Are we like a flowing river that wherever we pass, whatever we touch, whatever we influence, we give hope and we give life? Masarap po magkaroon ng isang pamilya na hindi ka nauuhaw. Pero mahirap mamuhay sa isang pamilya na lagi kang nauuhaw. You're always thirsting for something because nobody gives you a cup of water to drink. In our life today, there are so many people who are hungry and thirsty for love. There are so many people thirsting for affection and acceptance. Can we be that river that flows? Can we be that water that takes away the thirst of people for love? Can we be that person? Can we choose to become life-giving? Mahirap tingnan yon kung tayo rin mismo ay laging nauuhaw. Ang kaluluwa natin ay nauuhaw. Ang kaluluwa natin ay hirap na sapagkat ang dami niyang hinahanap. Ang Kwaresma ay magandang panahon para tayo ay maghanap ng tubig na makaalis ng ating mga uhaw. We go back to Jesus, the living water, the font of water that quenches all our longings in our life. So this is another crossroad that we have to face and that we have to make a choice. Do you choose to give life and inspiration, hope to people, or do you choose to become a dry bone? Another image from the prophet Ezekiel. Are you a dry bone that is practically dead? Or are you a person that comes alive and that gives life to the people that you come to, that you come in contact with in your life? Marami po sa mga nakakasalamuha ko ngayon ng parang pagod na. Minsan po nagbigay ako ng isang recollection ngayong panahon ng Kwaresma at tinanong ko yung isang participant, how are you feeling nowadays? Where are you coming from? Ang sagot po ng participant ay, Father, pagod na po ako. Pagod na ako sa maraming bagay. Pagod na ako sa maraming mga problema. So the crossroad today that we need to face and that we need to make a decision. Will I go back to the source of the living water, or will I stay dried and dead because I'm just relying on my own water that eventually will be gone? So we ask the Lord, come, you are the living water. Quench my thirst so that I can also give life to people around me.